So then, PKD Nambiar, other than a sense of disbelief that this still happens, a sense of disbelief, I genuinely thought that, Karat was the ideologue and he's gone. Yechury is going to bring in a much more pragmatic approach, a modernized approach to how the left must run in India. Then seeing the same Yechury sitting at the 100th anniversary of the CCP, okay, when the rest of us are going, what insanity is going on? Now doing this of the CPM in Tamil Nadu. Why is that reform being unable to happen? Is it because the CCP is, monetarily too entrenched in all of this? What do you suspect?
Well, Rishabh, I have never heard anchor describing the Indian Communist Party so well in my last 5 years of being a political analyst. I must compliment you for doing so. I am born in a place which is a communist bastion, which is a place called as Kannur in Kerala. And wherein my entire childhood has been all about this communist revolution and these kind of stories all across. But let me tell you, from 1921, when the Indian Communist Party was not born in India, it was born in Tashkent. Since then, if you really look at the history of the communists in India, they have always been alien to either their love has always been either to the CCP, the Chinese Communist Party, or to the erstwhile Soviet Union. Look at the way, from the 1942, they have betrayed the India and supported the Britishers with the people, the section of the society betrayed in the Quit India movement, which is a well-known history. 1947, when the whole of Indians were celebrating the independence in India, they said no. They have decided that even till some times ago in Kerala, they used to say, when we say Independence Day, August 15th, they say it is a danger 15. They never even used to host the flag of India.
So come on, it's written in their manifestos, PKD Nambiar. The goal of communist parties across the globe are to have an armed revolution, to establish a communist state, with the Politburo, which is currently being headed by Sitaram Yechury, becoming the head of that state.
That's there is no head,
it's called chairman and general secretary. Okay, but my question to you is, PKD Nambiar, because the challenge, where are we facing? The challenge is for the next generation, okay? Not for the Karats and the Yechuris. That time is now, in the dusk. The challenge for the next generation is that people who are in universities, see and are seduced by and sometimes find genuine connect with the downtrodden loving pro-labor practices that the left is also supposed to stand for, and there is some people who find a connect. Now for those people who think that, listen, this is what real service to the country is, we have to look out for the people who are the have-nots. What other alternative is there than to the left? Because at the top rung of the spectrum, this is happening.
I'll just correct you one thing. There is no communist party beyond Pinarayi Vijayan today. The Communist Party of till 2007 does not exist in India. The Communist Party is only now limited to Kerala, and the Supremo of Communist Party in India may not be officially, is actually Pinarayi Vijayan. Whether it is Sitaram Yechury and the Politburo and as well as Ramachandran Pillai, all of them are just for the namesake, like including the Prakash Karat. So it's limited to Kerala and it is very, very rich. Let me tell you one more thing which you were talking about, it's bootlicking only for the money. No, because communist parties in India are one of the richest parties. They hold the maximum amount of real estate. Not even the world's largest party like a BJP or the oldest party of India like Congress can't even come close to the amount of wealth.
Okay.
In terms of real estate, what communist parties have.
Okay, could be.
Only one thing had happened because they lost the ground in West Bengal, so all of them have been taken away by the.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, for all good, bad and ugly things, there's one thing that this country will always owe a great debt of service to Mamata Banerjee, and it's going to be this, that she demolished the left by taking on everything, including the street fights, which of course now have become a problem. So then let me ask the obvious caller. Finish your thought quickly, sir, 10 seconds. I want to get the others in.
1 second. So I'm just talking about the love affair of communist parties, even in the very basis, even the communist parties in 1962, that the famous the quote by the then EMS Namboodiripad, which is the former general secretary of the CPIM, he said they have supported the Chinese, even when the Chinese attacked us, which was one of the worst.
Yeah,
ever
you
attacks
still
which
can't
India
get a
got.
left leader to criticize China for
Yeah,
62.
they have even.
It
you
never
can't
happened.
even
Trust me,
you
I've
just
tried.
ask-
I've been doing this for
Yeah,
15
you
years.
even-
For 15 years, I've been trying. For 15 years, they've never
will never
taken
be able
on.
to.
It's
You
never
ask them
happened.
to say
So
one day,
I am
they
witness
will
to.
not.
I am as a new generation. I'm witness to this. Now, hang a second. I'm going to get Dr. Shastri. Dr. Shastri.
Discussing about the love affair of Indian Communist Party to China and Soviet
No,
Union.
I'm
We
not
are
discussing that. That's an established fact. I'm trying to find out why
we
do
are
they
talking
escape
about when
notice? Why do
No,
this?
no,
Why
you-
does this escape notice? Is what have we just?
No, Rishabh.
Though that,
Rishabh,
hang on a
one
second. No, let me get Mr. Mohan Krishna. He's been listening very patiently. Mr. Krishna,
Yeah, okay.
why is it? Mr. Nambiar.
Yeah, I think we are just a little digressing. What we are discussing about that when the whole world, I'm repeating this word, the whole world has been criticizing China for gifting the whole world this pandemic and the distress what we are all going through from the last 1.5 to 2 years. It's all come from China. The Chinese vaccine, which is not even considered, even in the UAE, it was they bought it from China earlier. Now they are giving all those people who have taken the Chinese vaccine is being given another vaccinations like a Pfizer or a Covishield or the other vaccine. The
Sinovac is
that all this vaccine, Chinese vaccine, is not even accepted by the world.
Yes,
If
but
you have a Chinese vaccine
but you
today,
can't get it.
cannot
Okay,
give
okay. So I'm out of time,
No,
gentlemen.
1 second.
Yeah.
Rishabh, just
No,
1
no,
second.
Rishabh.
What I wanted to say is that.
Nambiar is contradicting.
No, 1 second. The Chinese, despite this is all the fact, the Indian Communist Party don't want it to appreciate the Indian government, Indian science.
No, but like I said, it doesn't make a difference whether it's Manmohan Singh or Modi. That's the point I'm making. It didn't make a difference whether it's Manmohan Singh or Modi. If it's bootlicking China, it doesn't make a difference Manmohan Singh or Modi. Ideology goes out of the window. That's the point I'm making. That's the point I'm making. Okay.
Yeah, it's not about Modi or Manmohan Singh. Indian communists have only love for China or the
So that's
Soviet
exactly
Union,
the point I'm
nothing
making.
else.
So this
They
logic
are
that it's
ideology.
about Modi, it's not about Modi. It's about bootlicking China, which needs to be called out because they did more. I mean they disowned Somnath Chatterjee. They disowned them.
Chatterjee,
Yeah, Dr.
everybody
Chatterjee.
knows